right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of Coffee and Questions. And what's today's topic? We're going to talk about when you go to put a toolbox in the bed of your truck. And a friend of mine bought a toolbox. He hadn't quite anchored it into that bed yet on his truck. And he said, I'm going to put this all the way up, against, that frame all the way around, like you see in the picture just above me, that truck bed. And I'm going to put it all the way up like that, drill holes, I'll bolt it in. And, it should look pretty good. And I said, you know what, hang on a minute. And I did a web search because I came across this a while back just when I was glancing around at stuff. And I took this picture and I sent it to him off of my Android. And he goes, well, what are you sending me that for? And it's the exact same picture I'm showing you here. And I said, you might not want to do that. Take a look at the picture over here on the right. You might want a gap created there so that when you open this lid, it doesn't bang into your back window, okay, or bang into, the truck itself. And he goes, well, I didn't think of that. He goes, everybody just kind of puts them up against the truck bed tight. And I go, well, it depends on the toolbox that you bought. I would put it in there and create that gap and figure out, well, does it need to be 6 inches away from, the top of that bed? Or, can I get away with a little bit less, or do I need to make it a little bit more? And anyway, like when you're washing and cleaning up, it gives you access to doing that. And it doesn't really take up that much more room by giving it that gap. But I know it's not something a lot of people think about. When I'm out at Home Depot, Lowe's, and you walk by people's trucks, they put them all the way up against, the bed of the truck like you see above me. I don't know if that's such a good idea. I think it depends on the box that you bought and how you want to install it. But I wouldn't want to open that up and have it ever bang into that back window or into the truck, the frame itself, the body on it anyway. So it's something to think about. It's kind of meant to be just a quick tip video. I don't know if any of you out there are going to install it, or if you did and you're running into that problem, you can always unbolt it, create a little bit of a gap, bolt it back down, and I think you'll be fine. So anyway, it was worth throwing up just a quick tip video. Some things aren't as straightforward as you think. You think, well, I'm going to drop the box in and just bolt it down. Give it some thought. You might not want to, like I said, have it banging in there. Okay, not a lot to talk about in this video. I just wanted to throw this up as a quick tip of the day thing. So I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe, hit that notification bell, keep following me. I'll see you on the next quick tip video. Thank you, folks. See you soon. Bye-bye.